I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to withdraw money on Sezzle, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the Sezzle app. Launch the Sezzle app on your device. Make sure you reload into your account to access your funds. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Once you're in the app, tap on the account icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account settings and balance overview. Step 3. Select Withdraw Fund. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Withdraw Funds. Tap on it to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose Withdrawal Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Note, if you select bank transfer, ensure your bank account is linked to avoid any delays. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal amount. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm your selection. Review the details before finalizing the transaction to avoid mistakes. That's it. With these steps, you should be able to withdraw your money from Sezzle easily. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to check the help section or contact support. Happy withdrawing!